What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Design, and today we're going to be installing the new Lexus replacement emblems on my own personal Lexus GS 350. Stay tuned. Alright, so a little bit about the emblem. One, they're made out of ABS plastic, nice and thick, so it can actually resist the heat from the sun and from your engine bay. Two, we have it available in many different finishes. For example, this one is painted in ultra white. You can get it in raw black, you can get it in matte finishes, you can even get it in F-Sport gray, which is the same color as your grille. Three, we have available the L and also the F. And lastly, it comes already with your double-sided tape already applied to the back, and we'll send you alcohol wipe to clean your grille. With the purchase of the NIA emblem, you're gonna notice that the double-sided tape is already applied to the back. You'll also receive an alcohol wipe, and for this installation, you're gonna need a clip remover, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. All right, let's get started. All right, so step one is remove all the clips from the center panel and these two clips that unite the passenger panel and the center one. So this is when you get your clip remover and just start pressing every single one of them in and then out. Once all the clips are out, then we just start removing the panels. All right, now that the panel's removed, we're gonna reach behind the emblem and remove two spring nuts. All right, so get your clip remover and let's get started. All right, now that the spring nuts are gone, now we just unclip the emblem. All right, so this is when you get the alcohol wipe and we wipe down all the edge to get a nice adhesive with the double-sided tape. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do is bend the back halfway on both sides. All right, let's put everything back together. All right, so once everything is in place and the emblem's nice and tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GS. Thanks again.